Nicksbankrpt here with a new video today. So we're meeting up with a boy, Cali Vlogs. We're meeting at Santana Row in Santa Clara, California. We're in San Jose. We're collaborating with another YouTuber. Stay tuned. This guy's a major hype beast. If you guys are into that stuff, like Supreme, Yeezys, all those like high-end designer stuff, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stay tuned for some more content. I'm currently taking a different route over there because it's one less mile on the Huracan. Drop a comment down below on what type of content you want to see in the future, and stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just parked right now and we ran into Cali Vlogs. Check him out on YouTube. This guy is a hype beast, as you can see from right there.
Just a little bit, right?
Yeah, just a little bit. So he's getting his whole setup going, and then we're gonna go ahead and head to Valley Fair, and we're gonna go and shop at Gucci. This guy wants to go get some Gucci equipment, right? What are you looking to buy from Gucci?
I don't know, bro. I'm not sure yet, but like I have another friend that last time I saw him with the Gucci watch.
Yeah.
I have a Louis one, full custom, made custom by my boy, biggest custom from Florida. I want to buy a Gucci one. Let's see if I
yeah,
find one.
let's see if he finds one, guys. I'm broke because I bought the Lamborghini. Wish I could shop there. So in the meantime, we're just rocking some Yeezys.
From eBay?
From eBay? No. I've never paid markup on Yeezys. I don't believe in that. I've always bought my shoes at retail. I just get lucky every single time I get the drops. I don't even know how. It's insane. He's currently speaking Spanish. I have no idea what he's saying. So if you guys are interested in checking out his channel with his silent FRS build, he's also getting a supercar very soon. All of his videos are in Spanish. So if you guys do understand it, check it out. He might be getting a Huracan or a 720S. We're about to head to Gucci. All right guys, so we just got a free Tesla Model Y right now. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't get a free Tesla Model Y. Guys, this thing is insane. It knows everything. We're just taking the Model Y on a test drive to see if we're gonna get rid of the Lamborghini Huracan. I'm just kidding. We're not getting rid of the Lambo. Is no one gonna let me through?
I think after this one.
Yes, sir. Nicksbankrpt. My Lamborghini's upstairs.
What's it called?
Nicksbankrpt.
Nicksbankrpt?
Yeah, I got a Lamborghini Huracan.
Nice,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
What year?
2017.
Hell yeah, boss.
Yeah,
If you
thank
never
you.
watched that. Yeah, I was gonna say. If you
Shoot,
never watched that,
I got a sponsor for that, but if you guys want to sponsor me, let me know. Unique Auto.
Oh, Unique Auto?
Yeah, they're amazing.
Probably do great work.
Yeah, they do amazing work. They're always working on exotics too. So.
Yeah, that's nice, dude. Well, hey, good for you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Good vibes, man.
Appreciate it.
Take care, boss.
You
Have
too.
a
You
good
too.
day.
Later. What do you think? This or the Lambo?
Lambo all the way, bro.
Lambo all the way. Yes, sir. Dude, it feels so weird. Guys, this doesn't feel like I'm driving. I stepped on the gas. I don't even know how to explain. It doesn't feel right. Dude, there's people on the screen. There's a stop sign. It's visible.
Oh yeah, look at
Dude,
this
that's
guy.
amazing. There's a trash can. There's a cone. It's getting confused.
Stop sign.
The stop signs. Oh, what? Bro, it shows you if you're over the line. Yeah, I honestly don't know how I feel about this thing. It looks better in the picture than it does in real life. How's the horn sound? Sounds okay. I'm not that amazed with the car. It's pretty sick, yeah, but like, it's nothing special. Okay. Alright, it's fast. Oh, shoot. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't feel like the Lambo.
Yeah, it's fast, but I don't think it goes up to 0 to 60 in 4 seconds.
Yeah.
It feels kind of slow.
The steering ain't that good. I feel like I'm gonna get more of an accident in this than my Lamborghini. This is supposed to have like assists. It drives nice, decent. Would you trade in your car for this?
Nah, bro. Nah. I would go for another option. Yeah, it drives good, but it's not what I expected. I expected more. I mean, how much is it worth? What is the...
This starts at $60,000. That's a lot of money.
Yeah.
I'd rather have an M3 or an M4, a used one.
Or the new Corvette.
I'd much rather have the new Corvette.
Yeah. How do you feel the brakes?
The brakes are bad.
Yeah.
I think the car pulls harder than it brakes. I don't know, the interior, it's very minimal. This is Alcantara, I believe. Why did it beep like that? Oh, dude, the green light, bro. What?
Oh, it let you know,
bro. It lets you know when there's a green light. Guys, I love that feature. That has me sold. I'm buying one now. So we just got a little beep sound right now. It says delivery status, finished goods, delivery status. I don't know what that means. It beeped pretty loud. So I'm gonna call the Tesla guy right now. Shout out to Henry. Should we tap on it? Oh, yeah. What's that mean?
Delivery status, finished good delivery status, windshield washer, fluid low.
Got a camera here. Way better than Lamborghini. Oh, Henry's calling.
Hey, yo, what's up?
I got a message on the screen. It says delivery status, finished goods, delivery.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, what does that mean?
It's fine. The car's sold. Just finish the drive and then come back.
Oh, the car's sold?
It must have just happened.
It says delivery status with like an exclamation mark, emergency
Yeah,
logo.
if it says delivery status, like scheduled something, yeah.
It says
It's
finished
fine, don't
goods,
worry
delivery
about it.
status. Okay.
Finish the drive.
I'm like right across the
Just
street.
Coming back and, oh, if you're right across the street, perfect.
Yeah, how much do you think they got this for?
Honestly, I don't know.
I want this one for 75% off because the damage. The quarter panel's damaged, dude.
That's true.
So apparently this one's sold, but I don't know if the owner knows that the quarter panel is literally gone. Look at that, guys.
There you go.
Look how bad that is. Guys, I don't know how to turn this thing off. How do you turn the car off? I don't know how to turn this off.
Oh my goodness.
We opened the glove box. I'm so confused. Got a 458 just pulled up. And an Aventador. What do you think of that, dude?
Alright.
Must be nice to have a Lamborghini, huh?
I wouldn't want one.
We're taking a Model X right now. Is this performance? No?
It is.
It is a performance? You didn't even give me the performance. Wait, did the door just open for us?
Yeah.
You're lying. Bro, I thought someone was inside. How the wait, it really opened for us? Wait, the Model X is actually really nice. What the hell? The Model X, guys, looks so much better inside. The Model 3 is disgusting. The Model Y is also disgusting, guys. The Model X, this is where it's at. This and the Model S, honestly. Guys, so the doors on the Tesla goes up, but the doors on the Lambo don't go up. Guys, the door's open for you on the Model X. All you do is this. Are you serious? Guys, I actually really like the Model X, honestly. How much for your Model X?
Like 80.
80 grand? M4 competition or Tesla Model X? All right, guys, I really like the Model X. We just did the Christmas dance. I didn't get on camera because I forgot the camera in the car. So if you guys want to see it, go to his channel and check it out. This is pretty cool, honestly. There's a sketch pad. Guys, if you haven't, subscribe.
Subscribe to Nick's channel.
And his channel as well, both of ours. Guys, this one's on delivery status again. Are we lucky, bro?
Yeah, we're lucky, bro. Tesla should hire us as test driving.
Yeah, I know.
Every time we test drive a Tesla, it gets old. We're gonna wait for our commission too.
More guys trying to do his outro. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to never settle.